Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and now that we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down to the bottom again in order to find backup and reset option. And as you can see here, we've got whole Google backup section, and in order to activate the backup option, we have to enter the backup account. If for some reason this option is inactive, just make sure that the backup my data option is turned on. So let's enter, make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer: you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it, as you can see here. So now let me enter the password, and let me do it out of the screen, of course. All right, we can tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. And here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so if you want to, you can just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept because we will be able to check more details here. And as you can see, we are able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Now, of course, you can tap on more details if you want to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily. So basically, all you have to do right now is to tap on turn on. And as you can see, our backup account has been immediately added to this device. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable Google backup in your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.